Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create WhatsApp business link. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the WhatsApp application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log in or link your number to the application. And when you did that guys, if you have problems with doing that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how-to videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, we have the application here where at the bottom we have the updates, we have the calls, we have the tools, we have the chats, and the last option is the settings option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a WhatsApp business link. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically guys, what you need to do is go to the bottom right corner and click on the settings option. Then when you're there, you need to go and click on the second option out of all of these options here. So you can see that you have the advertise. You just need to go and click on the business tools, which is the blue option here. Click on it and you'll get a lot of options. As you can see here, what you need to do is go and click on the fifth option out of all. So you have profile, catalog, advertise, Facebook and Instagram, and you need to go and click on short link. Click on this here, and here you can go and create a short link. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow this channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative, entertaining, and I'll be guys seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.